Christy. Today I'm going to show you a new mini album that I made using a kit that's a Happy Place from Crafty City. Okay, and you will see right here in a card the video where I share all the items that comes in the kit, or you can look in the description box and there will be the link of the store. Okay, and this album measures 8.5 by 9, and the spine measures 2.5. Okay, so it only has 4 signatures, as you can see right here. Okay, but each one has a lot of room for pictures and openings. Okay, and right here, as you can see, I used all of the papers, everything of the paper, and I used the chipboard piece that comes in the kit. Okay, and it says capture the moment, and the seam binding. Then I didn't use the flowers and the other embellishments that comes, because this paper is so colorful and it has so many designs that I didn't want to put more. It was enough for me. So I'm going to show you how it looks, and as you can see, I added some gems in the whole album just to get the attention of those places. And for example, right here, I added all this part to the paper. It was empty here, so this is where I put the title. Okay, and I put up here camera, and this, all these are dimensional. Okay, and butterfly, and I put glitter glue on the butterflies. And for the cameras, I added glossy accents. I don't know, you can see right there. Okay, and right here for the flash and for the lens. You see, so super cute. I don't know if you can see, but it looks very nice. Okay, so that's what I did on this cover. Then I used this lace that it's from Hobby Lobby, and that this is more for securing this part up here of the cover so it doesn't fall apart. Okay, it doesn't rip when you open and close, because the album is kind of heavy, so it needs some reinforce. So I put it the lace, and I made this one using some trims from my stash. Okay, and I made these flowers, and I put the gems that are from the same package with this one, so it's the same color and it matches the colors of the album, the pink color. So right here is the back, and believe me, I made this big album with just 12 scrapbooking pages that comes in the kit. 12 only, and I use it for everything, for the covers, for the inside, and the extra papers that I use are cardstock and white and black. But if you have a package that has like 12 pages, this is an idea on how to make a beautiful album using just those 12 pages. Okay, and as you can see, I cover every single part of it using all of the scraps. And I know that you will ask me for tutorials, so while I was doing this album, I made a tutorial, and that will be in a separate video. Okay, let's see inside. Okay, inside right here, I made this flap, and it had some cards like this, so I used them as embellishment, some of them, like for example this one right here. Okay, and all of these are like the cutouts that comes in the paper. Okay, and then you open and you have room for pictures here. Okay, you have lots of mats already just for cutting your pictures and put it in there. And you can also have right here in this band, you can also have these large mats. This is a 5x7, and this one right here for more pictures or journaling right here. Okay, so everything is pre-made. You don't have to do anything, just put pictures and write your memories. Okay, then right here in the next page. Okay, so you can see it only has 4 signatures. Okay, and in the first one I didn't tie or put magnets because the pages are so big that they are not flying. Okay, on right here I didn't want to cover all these beautiful image, so I added right here, okay, these flaps that you open and you have room for more pictures here. Okay, these are 3x4, so if you have those wallet size pictures, so you can cut them at that size, you can put your pictures in there, and it looks so super cute because it's already with a frame. Okay, then you open, and right here, okay, I use the cutout to make like a pocket, so you can hold another of these cards for the picture. Okay, and right here there is a pocket, and I have this place for picture and picture, and this one is a 5x7. Okay, and yeah, it will go right here. Then these are 4x6. Okay, so these are ready to put a picture in there, 4x6. If you want to leave a white border, you have to cut like a 1/4 inch less, and you will see double frame, like the white and black. Okay, so it's very, very nice. You have 4 places for a 4x6 pictures. Okay, and right here 2 more. Then in the next part, in the back of the pages, the signatures, you will find the same. Okay, a pocket, and then this one right here, and this is a card that is 5x7, and right here you have place for pictures, and then you open and you have 4 more. Okay, that's how I make it a big album out of these few papers, and it looks so clean and open and with a lot of room for pictures, right? Now right here I made another pocket, okay, on top of this beautiful design, and I have right here some of the cards that come in the paper. Okay, and this one has some frames, that's why I save it like that. Okay, as you can see, oh, in the back it has some pictures too. Okay, so I just put these 3, okay, and those are in the pocket. Then, okay, you are going to have this one in the second page. Okay, 4x6, 4x6 right here. And I also need to add some writing. I can cut some titles. I don't have too many word dice, but if you do it in black. Okay, and then you can put anywhere, it will look very nice. Okay, then right here, this is a 5x7. Okay, and when you fold the paper, you have right here another place for a 5x7. I like those big pictures that are 5x7, especially if you have like a lot of people in the picture, like a family reunion or your kids. Super beautiful. And right here, these are 4x4. Okay, these 2 you open and you have 4x4 there, and right here you have 2 4x6. Okay, so you close this one, and then you go to the back, and again you have a pocket. Okay, but this part is different, a little bit different. You have a 5x7. Okay, and then you open this way and open this way, and you have 4x6 and 4x4 right here. Okay, and here another one. So you close, and then you put that 5x7 there. See, in this page you have a beautiful image of the paper, and then you have another of these small flaps that has 4x3s. Okay, and it's a lot of room for pictures there too. So you can place many pictures on this album, and they are ready, okay, to do it. Okay, now in the next page it's going to be the same, just the decoration is kind of different because, for example, this beautiful cutout, okay, is a hammock, and right here I use another of the cards and I made a pocket so I can put behind, and it looks like the outside of the house. It's so beautiful. Then I use some of the decoration for the pages, okay. Then right here you have two tags, okay, a 5x7 and this small one. Then right here, okay, 4x6, 4x6, you open and you have 4x6 again, okay. And look, you can put the embellishments a little bit peeking in here, okay, and you can put your pictures there. So you just glue like about half, okay, and it looks very nice when you have all your pictures done. Okay, then in the next page is the same. The first and third is the same. Okay, you open and you have, okay, right here the same size of mats, okay, and the pages 2 and 4 are the same. See, it has the pocket right here again, and then these 3 cards, okay, you can see it has the frames. So super cute. I didn't want to waste any single piece of this paper. It's so beautiful. Really, I just have a little scraps at the end, nothing to do with it. So I even use scraps for covering this part up here, okay. It looks so nice when you have a lot of the colorful paper everywhere. Okay, then you open and I have right here 4x6 pictures and a 5x7 right here. Then again 4x6 and 4x4 on these two, okay. So super cute, right? Then in the back, as I told you, the pages 2 and 4 are the same, 5x7. Then you open and you have a 4x6 here, 4x4 here, okay. So it's very nice how you can make this album, and it's only with 12 pages. Okay, right here I have this beautiful image and I put the flowers right here like a pocket, and I have another card, and this is another scrap that I use for a mat, okay. And then I use the seam binding right here, and when you open you see that I put 2 pockets, okay. These 2 pockets are the same size, okay, and I decorated with another cutout, okay. And I have a card with a place for picture and another mat. This is for a 4x6 pictures, okay. So I have those right here, and I have this one that is the same. Put it upside down, okay. Another card with a place for picture and a mat for a 4x6, okay. So it's a very nice, and right here you have 3x4s, and right here 4x6, okay. And I'm very happy with the result of this album because it's well embellished and it has a lot of room for pictures. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell to get notifications of more videos, okay? Thank you very much for watching my videos, for your likes, your comments, and for subscribing to my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye-bye.